So I have the Kraton XL build out right now. I ran it the other day. They're pretty decent. Now I'm out here to try it again. After I got the ESC tuned up a little bit, figured some stuff out. A guy from on the ARMA forums gave me a tip about moving the battery backwards. I didn't know it could do that, so I got that. The current build is M2C pistons. I'm running 2000 CST all the way around. I think I have, actually the center diff is still stock, 200,000 or 500,000 in the front, 200,000 in the rear. Rocking no name center braces, and these little brackets. I'm rocking A&W machining shock towers front and rear, which have been awesome so far. I've taken a couple hard hits and tried doing a front flip and ended up coming down hard. Didn't bend anything, so that's been awesome. Running an M2C, I think it's a +1 front drive shaft. The other drive shafts are stock. I'm running RAMJAM Racing hinge pins in the rear, and I think that's about it. MAX6 with the 1650 kV motor, lots of power. Right now I have it turned up to I think 7 in punch and 8 degrees of timing. Definitely moves out. So we're going to do a small little test. Kind of worried because I didn't bring a lot of tools with me, and I brought the ARMA tool for the I noticed my pinion that slipped off, so hopefully that holds up. But so far the car's been awesome. Oh yeah, I'm also running the M2C Racing chassis brace or chassis support, mainly because I'm running the stock chassis still, and so I figured that would help it. But all right, so here we go. Broke something. Well, didn't get that far, guys. Ended up, I guess I snapped a pin in the differential or something. I think I have a part at home to fix that, but I guess we'll see. Dang it. I guess that's why I got a hard time steering.